Hey, this is Pierre Delacote working at Planet Technologies. Help yourself. Sometimes you're struggling with a product, an office product, and you don't know where to find the feature. You know it exists, but you can't find it, or you want to do something, you don't know how to find it. So, what can you do by yourself? So, in every office product, you have this search bar. Sometimes it's called Tell Me, sometimes it's called Search, and you can click on it and type what you're looking for. So, for example, if I want to find where to insert, where is the feature that to insert space? Oh, here it is. And now I can insert space. If I take Word, for example, um, looking for, I don't know, table of content. So I type table of content, and I have the feature right away. If that's not enough, I can search in the help, and here is some help. So, for example, uh, maybe I will type table of content to have more help. Insert table of content, and then on the side I have some help. So either it leads me to the feature or it leads me to um, help within Word or Excel or PowerPoint. Same thing, I'm trying to do something more complex, like find a cell in a table. I'm not sure it works. I don't find anything here. So maybe I can look up on internet, and then it will do a smart lookup, search on internet, and here maybe I can check this web page. Lookup might be the good answer to this question. So for every product, including PowerPoint, you have this feature called either search or tell me, and you can really, if you don't remember how you um, remove the background on the picture, remove background. Um, where is it? Here it is, feature. So wherever, whatever you need is, you have some sort of help. Either leads you directly to the feature you're looking for, or um, it leads you to help, or you can even search the text that you're typing, the keyword you're typing into the document if you need to. A good example is, for example, today I was really upset because there were a lot of grammar spelling error in Excel in one of my Excel sheets. I don't know, I didn't know how to activate the spelling, so I typed spelling, and here it is. And if I want to have some help, here's more help. So how to check spelling in the Excel sheet? Boom, I have the text that explains me, and sometimes there's a video. So when you're searching for help, help yourself first using this feature. Hope it helps you.